Okay, guys, I just found a voice changer that actually sounds real, not robotic junk. I've been testing it for gaming, Discord, even some voiceovers, and it's honestly way better than half the paid ones I've tried. So I did some digging, and turns out there's a sponsor deal running on another tech channel I follow called Windows Fixer. And the crazy part? He's giving away full license keys, completely free, just for the first 100 users. I thought, let's see if it actually works. So here, I've already downloaded the software, and now I'm heading to his video. The link's in my description. Watch this. I'm copying the license key from his description, pasting it here in the activation box, boom. Full version unlocked. No time limit, no watermark, nothing sketchy. If you're into content creation, gaming, or just messing around with voice filters, this thing's actually solid. So yeah, don't sleep on it. The sponsor deal is only for the first 100 people. Go check out the Windows Fixer video, links down below, and grab your key. That's it from me. Enjoy your new voice.